Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking gnocchi in the air fryer. So what we need is a package of gnocchi, olive oil, grated Parmesan cheese, and Italian seasoning. So to make gnocchi in the air fryer, you don't have to pre-cook it. Just air fryer can cook gnocchi and make it crispy without having to cook it beforehand, so it's super easy. So let's put gnocchi in a bowl. And I'm going to add olive oil. You do need oil because you know it provides moisture and helps it cook. If you don't want to use oil, you would have to boil it in water beforehand, before air frying. Since we don't do it, we do need the oil. So for this package of gnocchi, it's a 17.5-ounce package. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And toss it. So toss it so it's coated with olive oil. And now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. And 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And now again, toss it to combine. And now let's put this gnocchi in the air fryer. And put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 10 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's open up the air fryer and let's toss the gnocchi. So I just wanna, distribute them evenly. You know, it might be a little tricky, so you need a spatula because they really stick. There you go. So I got under them and I'm going to toss them. So they're actually already getting softer. And so they're halfway cooked, and now I'm going to put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the gnocchi. Look at that, they're perfectly cooked and they look amazing. Let me take them out of the air fryer. I'm just using the spatula to separate them because the Parmesan cheese, when it melts, it kind of makes some of them stick. I got them all out. So these gnocchi, they're soft on the inside and crunchy on the outside. I'm just going to cut one. See, so inside they're soft and squishy. And outside is crispy because they're air fried. They're not conventional gnocchi, they're air fried gnocchi. So let's try it. So let me just take one and I'm going to dip it in a little marinara. So good. Soft on the inside and crunchy on the outside with a delicious crunchy Parmesan cheese coating. They are so good and so unique. Everybody loves these gnocchi. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!